Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your equity investments with PNC Financial Services, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current equity investment strategy. Understand your financial goals and risk tolerance levels. Define what scaling means for your investment. Research PNC Financial Services and the range of products they offer. Consider opening a brokerage account with PNC if you don't already have one. Gather necessary documentation, including identification and financial information. Complete the account application process through the PNC website or in person. Review the different equity investment options available through PNC. Look into mutual funds, ETFs, and stocks they provide access to. Analyze PNC's research tools and market insights for making informed decisions. Create a diversified portfolio by selecting various equity types. Make sure to include large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks. Consider sector diversification. Invest in technology, healthcare, or consumer goods. Decide on the percentage of your total portfolio to allocate to each investment. Use PNC's investment calculators to project potential returns. Set specific milestones for your investments to measure progress. Monitor your investments regularly through PNC's online platform. Rebalance your portfolio periodically based on performance and changing market conditions. Stay informed about market trends and economic indicators. Take advantage of PNC's educational resources for further learning. Consult with a financial advisor at PNC for tailored advice if necessary. Implement a long-term strategy focused on growth to scale effectively. Adopt a disciplined approach. Avoid emotional decision-making during market fluctuations. Lastly, review your investment plan annually to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.